Hey everyone, this is going to be a short video basically just showing that there is a second set of slides here that you can also use as a resource. So the slides that we will be going with for the rest of the day and a half left of class come from a book that we haven't asked you to buy or anything, but part of what's nice about this book is that it kind of starts as if you haven't learned any programming before. So these slides will give us a nice short review of some of the things we learned just with C, but it also tells us some of the nice things about C++. So I'm just gonna continue on this slide. So we actually saw already a maybe slightly more complicated first program that read in a name, but here would be the hello world in C++. And definitely make sure that you are able to run these hello world programs on the server yourself. And here's just a reminder of how we go from our source code to an executable file. So just like with C, we start with our C++ source code that we write in human readable language, and then this is compiled into object files, and maybe we have multiple, or maybe we are using library functions from libraries. So those object files are then linked using the linker, and only after that step do we have our executable program. So exact same process as with C. And we already saw that we have our makefile in this directory, so take a look at that.